Welcome to the Holistic Group, your partner in success. In this video, we are going to discuss about the role of Numpy in machine learning. If you have prepared machine learning models using Python programming language, the chances are high that you have come across Numpy. So, let's try to understand what is the exact role of Numpy in machine learning. Numpy is the foundation of the Python machine learning stack. Numpy allows for efficient operations on data structures often used in machine learning. If we talk about data structures often used in machine learning, we have vectors, matrices and arrays. If we talk about uses of Numpy, Numpy is used in Arithmetic Operations, Statistical Operations, Bitwise Operations, copying and viewing arrays, stacking, searching, sorting and counting, mathematical operations, broadcasting, linear algebra, matrix operations. So, we hope that you got an idea about the role of Numpy in machine learning. Stay tuned to the Holistic Group YouTube channel for more such content.